Ano ang naging eksena sa movie na Titanic? Ano ang naging eksena ng airplane? So, ang naging eksena ng airplane ganito. Ang naging eksena ng airplane ganito. Pumasok yung airplane sa pintuan, tapos may tumutok sa kanyang baril. Sabi ng lalaki, "Who are you? What are you doing?" Sabi ng airplane, "Hold your fire, I'm a human." Sabi ng airplane, "Hold your fire, I'm a human." Tapos sabi niya, "Sorry about that. I thought you are one of those zombies." Tapos sabi ng airplane, "What's going on in this town?" Hold on. I don't have I don't have any clue. I know there's something wrong. There's something wrong. The entire city was infested with zombies. Tapos, after mga 3 minutes siguro, nabasag yung salam. Nabasag yung salamin. Nabasag yung salamin. Nabasag yung salamin. Nabita yung mga zombie. Nabasag yung salamin. Nabita yung mga zombie. Tapos sabi ng airplane, kinain nyo. Kinain yung yung airplane ng mga zombie. Di na kaya pinakpak yung wings niya. Takay mo ba na Di na makaya.